Welcome to All About LIBS. Today we're going to talk about two nickel superalloys, alloy 625 and alloy 800. Let's get right into it. All right, so let's actually test 625. As you can see, it's a very easy alloy to see with handheld LIBS. It's about 58% nickel, let's say 20% chrome, and about 10% moly. It's a little different. It's a little higher nickel than its brother, alloy 800, which we'll talk about next. Next up, we've got Inconel 800. I've got actually Inconel 800H here. This is an alloy that's used up to 1500 degrees Fahrenheit or 816 degrees Celsius, a little lower temperature. But as you'll see here, let's give this a test. Hold it up there and do my test. You can hear that going. This takes a couple of seconds. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a 100% match here to alloy 800. Now, alloy 800 is a little bit different. We're almost 40% iron in this. Inconel 625, to compare to that, is 5% iron max. You might pick up a little bit in weld overlay or something like that, but generally the iron's pretty controlled. This alloy is a lower service temperature, but it's a similar alloy to 625 and is used in many corrosion-resistant applications. 625 can be used as a weld wire, and it's very common to join the different superalloys together. So what I'm going to do is actually just show you that you can test that with handheld LIBS. I'm going to hold that over the end here, and then I'm going to actually do the test. So we're running this live right now. My hand's over there, so please don't, again, do that with an XRF. But as you can see, it's easy to see the 625, and I'll post the chemistry on the screen so you can see it a little bit clearer. Thanks again for joining me this week.